another video, guys. Today I will be installing this V-bar covers for those bars right there that you can see inside of the car in front of the intercooler, just to give it a little different look, a little more aggressive look. And I got yellow because they're going to match everything else that I'm going to do to the car, like the calipers, and they're already matching the stickers and the fog lights that I tinted. So if you're interested in getting these for your F30 BMW, link will be in the description below, but you can go ahead and purchase it for yourself. They're not that expensive. I thought they would be a little different, but they're just snap-on covers for it. So yeah, let's get started. Let's remove the grills, because you're gonna need to do that in order to access the bar and snap this on there. And let's get started. I'll show you how to do that as well. You need to come to your engine bay, remove this weather strip, this guard right here, and you're going to need to remove some T25 screws. There are about 8 of those here, corner, and then the ones up here in the front. And then you're gonna pull this bumper cover a little, so you can stick your hand in there, get the clips that are holding the grill, and then just pull it out. As you're pinning down the clip, you can just start pulling back the grill, and it'll come off easily. There it is. Those are the bars that we're gonna put the covers on top of. This is the grills, and this is the pins that I was telling you about. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1 on the side, 3 more on the top, and then right there. So it's 8 in total, 8 clips that you're gonna need to like press down on that part right there inside, and then just pull out and it'll come on. Real easy. It doesn't take that much. And there we go. I won't lie, it looks a lot better than I expected. You do have to put a little force into it so they can snap on in there, because it's a hard plastic. That's how it looks. I can't wait to put the grills back on and be done with this. It looks freaking amazing because the yellow pops up, matches with the lights, and wow, honestly, I'm impressed. Good quality on those covers, to be honest. So my hands are a little dirty, so I did get some dirt in them, but I'll go ahead and clean that up, and we'll put the grills back on and we'll be done with this. And there it is. That's how it looks behind the grill. Oh man, it does look good. I won't lie, it looks freaking amazing. All right guys, so I got a little carried away, and I went ahead and wrapped the headlights yellow, and let me tell y'all this, it looks badass. I like it. I was just doing it just to see how it would look, and let me tell you, it looks pretty amazing. Let me know what you guys think for sure, because this is a whole new look. The yellow fog lights, the yellow headlights, the yellow V-bars, man, it's looking good, matching with the white and black too.